Chapter 1 Shapes and Space. Hello children, let us learn some spatial relations. Spatial relations help us to explain where the object is. Some spatial relations are inside, outside, big, small, top, bottom, near, far, above, below, on, under. Let us see some examples for spatial relations. The first spatial relation is inside, outside. In the given picture, the pencils are inside the box. The crayons are outside the box. Look at the next example. In the first picture, the girl is standing inside the house. And in the second picture, she is standing outside the house. Move on to the next spatial relation, big, small. In the given picture, the elephant is big and the rat is small. Look at the next example. In the given picture, the first ball is big and the second ball is small. Now move on to the third spatial relation, top, bottom. In the given picture, a bird is sitting on the top of a flag post and a cat is sitting at the bottom of a flag post. Look at the next example. In the first picture, a girl is sitting on the top of the slider. And in the second picture, she is sitting at the bottom of the slider. Now, move on to the fourth spatial relation, near, far. In the given picture, the first house is near us and the second one is far away from us. Look at the next example. Here, a girl is standing near us and a boy is standing far away from us. Move on to the fifth spatial relation, above, below. In the given picture, the butterflies are flying above the tree and a bee is flying below the tree. Look at the next example. In the first picture, an aeroplane is flying below the cloud and in the second picture, it is flying above the cloud. Move on to the last spatial relation, on, under. In the given picture, a cat is sitting on the table and a dog is sitting under the table. Now see the next example. In the first picture, a cat is sitting on the chair. And in the second picture, it is sitting under the table.